guys! Ayan, aalis kami, punta kami sa Chemist Warehouse, bibili ng meds. Ayan, kasi habang pwede pang magbiyahe, update tayo sa weather guys. Ayan. Ito yung weather natin.
Look, another guy with no brains.
Yeah.
They're everywhere at Beenleigh. Bloody dickheads.
No helmet, no nothing.
Not even a brain in his head.
Be careful, my love, drive safe. Guys, punta muna kami sa Chemist Warehouse kasi habang bukas pa at pwede pang bumiyahe, kunin na natin yung mga dapat kunin. Ayan, kasi bukas na ang landfall ng cyclone. So,
Another one, look!
Yeah?
Look.
See, another one. Oh, see, no
Another
helmet.
Beenleigh dickhead.
No helmet, no.
That brainless.
Oh my God, look. See, ugtas, ginangapon ba na makakita siya sa mga naga-scooter nga wala sang guys.
Not a brain in his head.
No helmet, no
When-
nothing.
When he was
Yes,
standing
sir.
in line in front
Yes,
of
guys.
God, he got no brains.
God. Okay, bye-bye. Guys, it's empty. My love, empty. It's empty. Andito kami guys sa Aldi. Marami na, oh my God, wala nang natira guys. Empty. My love. Hello guys, it's empty guys. Look. Wala na. My love, come here. My love, come here. See, wala na siyang abon. Empty. It's empty now. Yeah. Yan. So, wala na guys. Wala na. Ayan. Mister.
T-bone.
What a
That's
table.
what's left.
Ito.
So left it was two here.
What is this? Ito na lang natira. Yan.
T-bone steak.
T-bone steak. So guys, ayan ang effect
Oh, so
ng
there's some greeny stuff left, but
Yeah.
we want
We don't have. See, it's finished. Nothing left. See, it's empty. Hi guys, we do a last minute grocery. My love, come here, look at me. Last minute grocery guys. Ayan, okay na. Bye. Last minute shopping before the cyclone make landfall.
beer.
Yeah.
And water, just beer.
So ayan guys, kami nag last minute shopping. Ayan, si Mister. Punta pa kami dun sa bibili ng bear. Yeah. Yeah. Umuulan na. My love, it's raining. Where's our car?
We've only got the one fridge.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Cole's got fridge is working over there if something goes bad.